What is operators in Python? So we can perform various number of operations in Python. So basically operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. The first operator is arithmetic operators, which is used to perform basic mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The next one is assignment operators, which is used to assign values to a variable. If a is equal to 2, it means 2 is assigned to variable a. Then next one is comparison operator, which is used to compare two values. Like for example, if a is equal to b, it means a is equals to b. The next one is logical operator, which is used to combine conditional statement using and, or, and not. The next one is identity operators, which is used to compare the objects. If it is true or false, it returns only true or false values. Now next one is membership operators, that is used to see if that value exists in a sequence or not, that is in and not in. The last one is bitwise operator, which is used to compare binary numbers using functions like and, or, XOR, not. That's it. Thank you. To get more such videos, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and I will see you in the next video.